You got plenty air inside the system. As you see, I'm keep pulling the syringe up and we see so much. Unfortunately, I don't know why I'm not optimistic. I think we got a internal leak. So much air. The system is not that long, just a 1 meter pipe. Shouldn't have that much air in it. I keep continuing this one. The clutch pedal must be down inside the car. The bleed nipple's open, and I'm keep draining the air out of the system and refreshing the reservoir with a fresh one. You don't let that one get empty. So I'm gonna see you in part 3. Thanks, bye.